Dogs' noses are so sensitive they can sniff out a teaspoon of sugar in a million gallons of water. That's like finding a needle in a haystack, but even more impressive. Their olfactory senses are up to 100,000 times more acute than ours, allowing them to detect minute chemical changes and scents from vast distances. Imagine a single sniff giving them a detailed map of their surroundings, from the location of hidden treats to the emotional state of their favorite human. This incredible ability is why dogs are indispensable in search and rescue missions, medical detection, and even tracking down endangered species. Their noses are truly nature's marvel, turning everyday sniffs into extraordinary feats of scent detection.